You may remember me talking about Universal Standard before, freaking out about this company. I'm actually wearing the sweatshirt that I got from them before. They are size inclusive, the clothes are very high quality, they're comfortable, they're stylish, and I love them. And it turns out they love me back because they sent me a mystery box or package. What's a mystery box or package? Well, it's exactly what it sounds like. It is a mystery box or package that basically contains a mystery. There's 21 themed boxes and they come in sizes 00 to 40 and they are at a deep discount, like up to 90% off. But the thing is, it's a mystery. You don't know what you're gonna get. So let's find out what's in this package. Building a mystery box. So yeah, I chose autumn in Paris because I actually went to Paris, not in autumn, but during Christmas time. And I just have such fond feelings and memories of that time. So there's three. There's actually 3 pieces. I thought I was getting 2. I'm getting 3. Is there anything more French than one of these striped French shirts? Hey, I love this neck action. This fits really, really well. What size am I? I'm a size 4XS. And again, as I mentioned, goes all the way up to size 40. I love it. These are just some beautiful elastic waisted, so I can just put my body in them. And I can already tell that I'm gonna love this because there is a seam going down the front. There's a zipper at the bottom. Oh boy, we love a zipper moment. Like that it holds you in right about here. And oh, the seam. I also love that there's pockets. Love a pocket. Ooh. Little mock turtleneck. How pretty is this? You know, all I need really is a baguette, right? And hey now, I've never done this in my life, but you know what? I'm pretending that I'm in Paris. So this is what I got in my box, these 3 items, but depending on your size and their availability, you may get something different. And that's the point. It's a mystery. As Sarah McLachlan says, we are building a mystery. So this entire outfit is valued at $416, but it's 45% off because of the mystery. And so therefore it is only $228 to you. Plus, I have a discount code, 10% off site-wide. At any rate, Universal Standard is building a mystery, and these boxes are only available now through October 1st. This is the very last time they're doing this, so I'm really glad that not only did they send me one, but that I got a chance to have my hands on one. All the links are going to be in the bio and in the comments, and I just wanted to say thank you, Universal Standard, for partnering with me on this. I'm not making any money off of this. I got this as a gift and the links are affiliates, so I will be making a little bit of commission if you do decide to purchase, which I hope you do. If I just stopped the video while I was talking, then it'd be a mystery what happened to me. But I'm not gonna do that to you. Miles is a French dog now. You're a French dog. You're a French dog. Bye.